Alright guys, I'm going to give a quick little tutorial on how to edit the weights and the prices, and this is going to work pretty much for all of my trailers, at least in this fashion on how I'm going to show you how to do so. I use a program called 7-Zip, and that's what opens up my .ses files. And then I also have a program called Notepad++. You could just use, for this purpose, just regular Notepad. So as you can see on the desktop, I have the cargo dev file. So what we're going to do is, what I like to do is, I'll hit rename, and then I'll copy this, and then I like to make a folder, and then make it the same exact name. Then we're going to, let's open up the folder. And now let's open up the SCS file. And it's going to open up in my 7-Zip. It might open up in whatever program you're using, whether it's WinRAR, WinZip, whatever it is that you're using to open up the SCS file. And then what I like to do is from here, just drag everything now, select it all, and drag it over to our folder so we can work out of the folder now. Okay, now with that being transferred, we can close this out. Let's go into the dev folder now. And here we're going to see cargo folder. Now these are folders of the cargos. We don't need to worry about the folders. What we need to worry about are these .sii files. So let's say, for example, we wanted to change the weights of the weights and pricing of the fire truck. That would be right here. I mean, you guys aren't going to know really what they are because of how they're named. So you're just going to have to really open them up and kind of see. And it'll tell you the name of the cargo right here. So this one in the case is FDNY fire truck. So we'll start with pricing, which is mass. Or not pricing, I'm sorry. This is going to be weight. So how I have the trailers set up is whatever this is here is the actual kilometer conversion from pounds. So when we load this up into the game, it's going to show this actual amount in pounds. So for example, 50 tons would give us, if I change this here to 50,000 right there, will give us 50 tons. Okay, so that's really the mass right there. That's kind of how simple it is. You can use any conversion tool you want or whatever to find your pounds to kilograms, and that's how you would go about adjusting. So if I wanted to up it, say a little bit, we could put it at 21 ohm, and that's going to up the mass of the cargo, meaning the weight of the cargo. Now for the pricing of the cargos, that's going to be here in the unit reward per kilometer. As you can see, we have it at 12.89. All you need to simply do is up it to your desire and to your liking. So if we change it to 18.90, you're going to see a huge significant increase now in your pricing throughout all the cargos for the FDNY fire truck. So then what we would do is just from here on, file save, close out, and then now what we do is let's say we're done. You did all of them, you did the rest of them, and just for another example, so because you guys aren't going to know what PMRS 500 is, all you got to do is open it up and you will see in the name of what the actual cargo it is. And then again, you have your mass and your unit reward per kilometer. All of these will look exactly the same, just different weights and different names and different pricings. So now with that being done, what I like to do now is just highlight it all. I right click, and then I go to 7-zip, and I add to Rogers 50-ton mud flap cargo dev 2.1.zip. And it's going to zip it up, which it did right there. Then what you can do is, technically you don't have to, SES will recognize the .zip file, but from here you can go to rename and then just change this to .scs, and you're going to hit yes. And then you're just going to take that now and put that in your mod folder, and then you have your edited and new prices and weights. Alright, hope that helps. Thanks, guys.